Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to center an HTML element using one of the coolest CSS features called CSS Flexbox. So right here, I just have a simple HTML element and I'm using an internal CSS styling, as you can see here. So I just have this parent, which is the one I'm giving a border and a padding right here, and then I have this box, which is the one carrying this, having this background of blue and equal height and width, making it a square. So what we want to achieve in this task is to bring this element to the center of its parent right here. So I'm using an extension called live server. That's the reason why any changes I make here, you can see it immediately right there. So you can see it immediately. That's the reason why you're seeing it like that. So to achieve this, we just need to go to the parent and use these two key properties. The first one is display. By default, every HTML element is block. Now we need to set it to flex, and then we'll say justify content. We'll bring it to center. So that's it. Thanks for watching.